Welcome to the online class of English Grammar for grade 6. How are you, my dear students? I hope you all will be fine. Here's your teacher, Mr. Snala, with your new lesson of capitalizing proper nouns and adjectives on pages 103 and 105. First of all, we are going to do an exercise on page number 103. You will rewrite each sentence using capital letters for any proper noun. What is a proper noun? I'm going to explain this to you. A proper noun names a specific person, place, or thing, and it always should be capitalized. For example, I know a lot about Europe. He lives in Egypt. Now the words Egypt and Europe are two proper nouns, so I am starting these two proper nouns with capital letters. Now what are proper adjectives? Proper adjectives always should be capitalized too. Many proper adjectives describe where someone or something is from. They may refer to languages, races, or nationalities. For example, an African city, the French language. Now the words French and African are proper adjectives. So according to the theme of this rule, you will start African, French, Chinese, Japanese, Korean with capital letters in the beginning. Now we are going to do the main exercise. Many people in Japan study the English language. Now the two proper nouns, Japan and English, must start with capital letter. Please rewrite the complete sentence as your answer. Many people in Japan study the English language. Number 2. Japanese students sometimes learn English from American teachers. The words Japanese, English, and American will have capital letters in the beginning. And then you will complete your answer. You will rewrite the full sentence as your answer. Japanese students sometimes learn English from American teachers. Number 3. Cities like Tokyo and Osaka are modern and busy but still observe traditional customs. Here are the names of two cities, Osaka and Tokyo. These two names are proper nouns, so you will write them with capital letters in their beginnings. Number 4. Many Japanese traditions have been influenced by Chinese and European cultures. The words many, Japanese, Chinese will start with capital letters. Many Japanese traditions have been influenced by Chinese and European cultures. And the last one, it might surprise you to know that Beethoven's music is traditionally performed during the Japanese New Year celebration. The word Beethoven's and Japanese will start with capital letter in the beginning. The rest of the sentence will remain the same. Now we are going to do our two exercises on page number 105. You will underline the adjectives in each sentence. In every sentence you will have 2 or 3 or maybe 1 adjective. You will just underline them and complete the answer. No need to rewrite the adjectives, nothing such thing at all. Number 1. Ginger is my favorite dog at the animal shelter. My dear students, in this sentence you will find two adjectives, favorite and animal. You will underline them. Number 2. She is a beautiful miniature dachshund. The words beautiful and miniature are two adjectives. Number 3. Ginger has long red hair with black tips. The words long, red, and black are adjectives. Please underline these three adjectives in sentence number 3 of page 105. Number 4. She has a loud bark and thinks she is a big dog. The words loud and big are two adjectives. You will underline these two adjectives. And the last one of this exercise, everyone loves Ginger because she is funny and playful. The words funny and playful are two adjectives. Now we are going to do exercise B about proper adjectives. Write the proper adjectives in each sentence. Circle any two adjectives whose orders needs to be switched. Number 6. The food festival offers a taste of many Asian dishes. The word Asian is a proper adjective, so you will just write the same word Asian on the line with capital A. Next, number 7. You should sample the Thai noodles with brown delicious sauce. The word Thai is a proper adjective, so you will write only Thai on the line. No need to rewrite the sentence, my dear students. No need to write here, please. Okay. Now what will you do? You will see if there are any two adjectives which have been written improperly, which have not been written correctly because of their arrangement. So you will circle those two adjectives. For example, I have circled here brown and delicious. According to my perception and understanding, the sentence should be like, you should sample the Thai noodles with delicious brown sauce. Here, no need to rewrite the sentence. I am repeating my words. Just circle these two adjectives. Number 8. One booth features fresh Vietnamese spring rolls. The word Vietnamese is a proper adjective. You will write it on the line, and the rest of the sentence is okay. One booth features fresh Vietnamese spring rolls. If you want to circle fresh and Vietnamese, you can circle by saying that, by thinking that these two adjectives should have been written at each other's place. Like one booth features Vietnamese fresh spring rolls, but it doesn't look so good, so that's why I didn't circle any other adjective. Number 9. My brother always tries the steamed Chinese dumplings. The word Chinese is a proper adjective, so you will write it on the line, but you should also circle the adjectives Chinese and steamed, thinking that these should be replaced with each other. And number 10, I like the spicy Korean dish called bibimbap. The word Korean is a proper adjective, so you will write it on the line, and you will circle spicy and Korean. The sentence should be like, I like the Korean spicy dish called bibimbap. So far we have done our two exercises about adjectives. Please revise the exercises for a clear understanding of the lessons. See you next time with new exercises. Till then, bye bye.